Curb appeal, the finishing touches. Are you ready to put the right finishing touches on the homes you build? Then make a statement with your front door and exterior lighting using these HomeSphere brands. The front doors you install can create a lasting first impression on a potential homebuyer. With Masonite, you'll find a variety of styles to fit your buyer's taste and expectations, giving you the right doors to welcome in those new home buyers. Are you showing your home's exterior in the right light? Progress Lighting has thousands of fixture designs to meet the needs of any outdoor project. Progress Lighting will make the homes you build shine with brilliance. Are you ready to add these brands and maximize the curb appeal of the homes you build? Let us know which brands you're interested in. Visit us online at homesphere.com/curb appeal.